Hello everyone, today we will learn how to connect MySQL Server through Workbench, Shell and CLI. In the last video we have discussed how to install MySQL Server on your Windows machine. If you haven't watched that video, I will recommend you to watch that one. Let's start today's video. So we will start with connecting MySQL Server through Workbench application. So you have to launch your Workbench application. Now I am connecting as a root user. You have to enter the password which you have set while installation. Now you can see that I have successfully logged in. Now I will show you by running a simple query show databases. So by running this SQL query, all the available databases will be visible to me. Now you can see that 4 databases are visible to me. These are system created databases. I will also show you by showing a system created table, system configuration table. You can see that this is a system created table is visible to you. That means this is working fine. Now we will connect MySQL Server through Shell. You can see that my shell has been successfully launched. You can see that right now JS mode is enabled. We have to switch to SQL mode. For that we have to enter \SQL. Now you can see that SQL mode has been switched. Now for connecting to my root user, I have to type \connect root at localhost : this is port number 3306. If your password has not been saved, it will ask for the password. Now you can see that my SQL Server has been successfully connected. Now I will show you by running a simple SQL query. Show database. All the databases has been visible to you. This is working fine. Now I will also tell you how to connect through CLI. So for this you have to go to program files, MySQL Server. Inside the bin folder you have to open your command prompt. I will zoom a little bit so it will be visible to you. Now you have to write MySQL -u root -p. Then you have to enter the password which you have set while installation. Now you can see that MySQL Server has been successfully connected. I will show you by running a simple query. Show databases. All the databases are visible now. Now I will tell you one more thing, that MySQL in MySQL, SQL queries are not case sensitive. That means if you will write any query in uppercase or in lowercase, in both cases it will execute. Like in that one, I have written show databases in lowercase and uppercase. In both case query gets successfully executed. Thanks for watching this video.